Hello guys, today I show you how to install OBS Studio in Windows 10. You can check out how to download this file in the link description below. So before install, I need to turn off the internet here. I can mode it to airplane. And I need to turn off the virus, see virus. Uh, virus. Oh, sorry. Virus and threat protection, click on it. So I use this uh, program to scan any virus in my computer. So it's normally from the general originally from the Microsoft. So click on here, manage setting. I need to turn off all of this. Yes, dismiss, dismiss, dismiss. So I already turned off all the virus scanning protection. And then I need to click this, open. Yes, click next. Next. So I start the program, all the program in try C here and install. Okay, so the installing process is completed. Yeah, it is launched. Okay, finish. So we will automatically launch the program for me. So it will ask you here, usage information, specify what you want to use the program for. Optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. Optimize just recording, I will be streaming. I will be only using the viral camera. So it's up to you. What do you want of me? So click this. Next. Video settings. Specify the video setting you would like to use. What do you want to use? Okay. Okay, I will prefer this one, current. FPS. Okay, this one. Click next. Streaming information. Please enter your stream information. Tweet. Custom YouTube. Which one you want? Okay. YouTube. Okay. No need. Yeah, this is the information. This is the interface of the OBS Studio. The version is 27.2.1, 64 bits. Yeah, that's all. You can use for free. It is free source. This is the about. See, OBS is a free and open source video recording and live streaming software. Yes, that's cool, guys. You don't need to enter the serial number or crack or buy. It is for free. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.